Hello friends, welcome to our channel. I am Arun Kumar from Bonu Formulations. Today there are increasing number of car service centers, car detailing centers. So there is increasing demand for car detailing products. So in this video we are going to discuss about the business opportunity in car detailing products. Car service means fixing the mechanical issue or physical damage, that is car service. Car detailing means improving the physical appearance. For the example, by giving the wax coating to the body or leather coating to the seats or tire coating or glass cleaning. So these are all car detailing products, car detailing. Nowadays, in most of the car service centers are doing the car detailing also. For car detailing, many products are available. Some of the products we can discuss: shampoo, car wash shampoo, and snow foam car wash shampoo, dashboard polish, tire polish, leather conditioner, glass cleaner, and many more specialized products are available. Pre-wash products also available. So there are many products for car detailing purpose. First of all, the increasing trend for car detailing products. That is the plus point. Second one is, in case of car detailing products, the quality is the primary factor, deciding factor for purchase. In case of home care products, cost is the deciding factor. Of course, in most of the cases, in B centers and C centers. So, to reduce the cost, we need to compromise in quality, we need to compromise in margin. But here, product cost is not the deciding factor. The professional formula, professional cleaning, professional look is very important. So, we need to maintain the quality, no need to compromise in cost or in our margin. That is the plus point. In case of minus points, first of all, in car detailing products, we must give professional formulas, professional products, professional quality. Otherwise, we cannot stand in this market because customer satisfaction is very important. For the example, if one customer is after completing the service is taking the car, just you look over the car. If it is very good finishing, leather finishing, glass cleaning, overall body, tire, everything is very good means very good physical appearance, he is having the customer satisfaction. Suppose if finishing is not good because of our formulas are not up to the professional standards, then customer will not get satisfaction. Okay, even if he has changed new engine, okay, inside the car new engine has been changed, but outer look is bad, dull, then he will not get the satisfaction. So here the point is professional formula, professional quality, professional product is very important. Otherwise we cannot compete, we cannot stand in this field, in this market. This is first minus point. Second one is, for very big car service centers, they are having some tie-up link with manufacturers. There are some established manufacturers. They are providing the car detailing products. So they are having some link. So we cannot approach them. Already they are having the supply. So we need to focus on medium centers or small service centers. This is another minus point.